WordPress theme. So over here under Appearance, let's click on Themes. Here at the top, I'll click on Add Theme. Now every website with WordPress requires a WordPress theme. Now there's a huge variety of themes out there, but when it comes to building e-commerce website, there is one theme that stands out more than others. So here at the top under Search Themes, let's type in Blocksy. The Blocksy theme is hands down the #1 best rated e-commerce theme for WordPress. It offers the most features, great templates, and it's very simple to use. So over here under Blocksy, let's click on Install. Next, let's click on Activate. Okay, so once you install the Blocksy theme, right here, you're going to install the Blocksy Companion plugin. So go ahead and click on this button. All right, so once you install the Blocksy Companion plugin, it'll then bring you to the Blocksy dashboard. Here you can view the theme options, you can view starter sites. They also have some additional extensions you can add to your website, like cookie consents. Here is some plugins they recommend, and also here is the changelog. So any sort of time they make an update, all the changes will be here automatically. And they actually do update this theme quite often, so you can always be certain that this theme is up to date and it's secure. So right here, let's go